Since my very first upload got 25,000 views and you all gave it such an amazing response, I thought, why not try it again? Work for another 30 days on a completely new channel and see how many views I can get and whether I can get monetized. You've probably seen those motivational YouTube shorts before. People love them because they're short, inspiring, and incredibly shareable. When I looked around, I found tons of channels pulling millions of views in this niche. Some of the most successful ones had shorts that went viral almost overnight. One even had a single short hit over 87 million views, which is just insane to think about. I chose this niche for 3 simple reasons. First, it has a massive audience. Everyone loves motivational stories, especially underdog ones where someone starts with nothing and manages to achieve something extraordinary. Second, I don't need to show my face because A, I can handle the storytelling, the voiceover, and even suggest visuals. And third, motivational content works globally. You don't need to be a professional editor. You just need to package the story right, make it emotional, and make it relatable. That was my game plan. Simple, efficient, and fully automated using AI tools. So I made a brand new channel and called it. And yes, guys, in this video, I give you a bonus tip that literally blow up your channel in some days. So during the first 7 days, I uploaded a few random test shorts just to avoid looking like a dead, empty account. This helps prevent shadow bans and shows YouTube that the channel is active. Once that was done, I started my real research. I wanted to understand exactly what made channels in this niche go viral and which strategies consistently worked. I found 2 competitor channels in the same niche. One had over 250,000 subscribers and the other around 105,000. Some of their shorts were getting millions of views in just a few days. By day 13, I started generating my own content ideas. I prepared a simple prompt that asked for short motivational story ideas with hooks and emotional twists. Within seconds, I had dozens of ideas to choose from. I picked the ones I liked most and then used another AI prompt to generate full scripts from them. This made the creative part feel almost effortless. What would have taken hours of brainstorming and writing manually now took minutes. I could focus on refining the stories rather than coming up with them from scratch. But having a script wasn't enough. I still needed a good voiceover and visuals. That's where 11 Labs came in. I paste script into 11 Lab, selected a natural sounding voice, and simply click on Generate. And your audio is ready. Simply click on Download. It was that easy. Of course, I had to make a few adjustments because AI sometimes messes up pacing or pronunciation. But overall, it saved me hours of work and let me focus on making the videos more engaging. For visuals, instead of copying from somewhere else, I used free stock footage and AI-generated clips. Trust me, there's enough free footage out there to make dozens of shorts without worrying about copyright issues. Once I had everything ready, I opened CapCut for editing. I created a new project and set the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for shorts. Then, I imported all my clips and muted their original sounds. I added my AI-generated voiceover to the timeline, trimmed it, and removed any pauses to improve retention. I synced my clips to the voiceover, sometimes speeding them up slightly so the timing matched perfectly. I auto-generated captions, edited them into short and readable lines, and styled them with bold fonts and shadows so they popped on screen. Finally, I added sound effects, small hits, whooshes, and emotional music to make the story more engaging. Once everything looked smooth, I exported the video in 4K, ready to upload. So what happened after posting my first video? On day 1, it got around 1,237 views and brought me 8 new subscribers. Not bad at all for a start. My second video got only 427 views in the first day, but then the next day it suddenly jumped to 3,063 views. That's when I realized shorts often take time to blow up. My third upload was the first real hit. It crossed 10,000 views within 3 days and gave me more than 700 subscribers. That was the moment I knew this experiment could actually work. Seeing numbers climb like that was addictive. It was proof that the approach was valid and that consistent effort truly paid off. By the end of the first week, I had uploaded 5 videos in total. Together, they brought me around 36,294,000 views and 736 subscribers. Honestly, I wasn't expecting results that fast. In the second week, I decided to post more often. I uploaded 2 shorts a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. And this is when things really took off. One of my shorts about a poor student becoming a CEO went absolutely viral. It crossed 350,000 views views on its own and added over 8,000 subscribers to my channel. By the end of week 2, I had gathered about 563,000 views in total and had 13,433 subscribers. The momentum was undeniable. Each day, I could see the algorithm starting to favor the channel more, boosting my videos to wider audiences. Week 3 wasn't as smooth. Out of 10 videos I posted, 6 barely crossed 1,000 views. I honestly thought I was failing, but then one story about an injured athlete who fought his way back shocked me. That single video blew up to 700,000 views and brought in 12,000 subscribers. So even though most of my uploads flopped, one video carried the week and kept the experiment alive. It was a clear reminder that virality is unpredictable. You never know which video will hit, but consistency ensures at least one will. Finally, by the end of the month, here were my results. In 30 days, I uploaded 34 videos. Altogether, they brought in about 3.9 million views and nearly 70,000 subscribers. That's insane growth for a brand new faceless channel, and it proved to me that consistent effort paired with AI really does pay off. Each week built on the previous one, and even the videos that didn't perform well contributed indirectly by giving the channel activity, watch time, and engagement signals. Now, let's talk about monetization. To join the YouTube Partner Program with Shorts, you need 10 million Shorts views in 90 days. I only got 3.9 million in my first month, so no, I wasn't monetized yet. But the channel is clearly on track, and if I keep uploading consistently, I can definitely hit that target in the next 2 months. The momentum is there, it's just a matter of staying consistent and refining content based on what's performing best. So what did I learn from this 30-day experiment? Growing a faceless motivational channel with AI is absolutely possible. You don't need fancy equipment or your own voice. You just need consistency, good stories, and patience. Most videos won't blow up, but the few that do can change your channel overnight. Watching analytics, learning from patterns, and iterating quickly is more important than perfection. The algorithm rewards activity and relevance, not perfect cinematography. And here's a bonus tip for anyone starting out. Don't delete videos if they don't get views right away. Shorts often pick up days later. I had videos stuck at 500 views that suddenly shot up to 20,000 after a week. The algorithm works in mysterious ways, but it always rewards consistency. Stay patient, keep uploading, and watch what happens. Small growth compounds into big results faster than most people realize. So yeah, that's how I went from 0 to 70,000 subscribers and nearly 4 million views in just 30 days, all with AI tools and motivational stories. And why I believe anyone with persistence can do the same. It's proof that with the right approach, even a completely new creator can achieve serious growth without showing their face or spending money on expensive equipment. It's all about leveraging AI, understanding the audience, and staying relentless. The journey was challenging, but seeing the results was incredibly rewarding, and it gave me confidence that the next month could be even bigger.